We have Hunt, Sakina Thomas. Is Claudia joining us?
She said she was going to.
But Hunt is not Sakina's.
No, Hunt is a Wilkerson. Burroughs is Sakina.
Gotcha. We don't have a full set yet. What's Sakina's plan to? You know? Look at the second one. I'll look at the first one.
I'm on 83011.
Andrew Wilkerson. Who's that?
Wilkerson is with Hunt.
So we can go do that one. One's a 10 days on marijuana possession.
With 80 back time. That's the other one. That's 83011 as well.
What's the charge on the other one?
There was a criminal trespass.
Okay. So I can get Wilkerson and Hunt in here.
She should be watching.
You got to unmute. It's a little red button.
Oh, yeah. Good morning.
Your lawyer's hooking up right now. We're waiting for the
Okay.
Slow connecting. There you go.
Good morning, Your Honor.
How are you?
How are you?
We're just waiting on the court reporter.
Okay.
We could just do it and waive a court report if you want to.
I'm fine with that. Are you fine with that, Frank?
Yeah.
Okay. If you would raise your right hand and be sworn. You swear or affirm testimony about to give be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but truth, so help you God.
Yes.
Is your true name Frank Lee Hunt III?
Yes, sir.
And do you understand you're charged in this case with possession of marijuana?
Yes, sir.
Have you had enough time to go over this case with your attorney?
Yes, sir.
And it looks like you and your attorney have worked out a plea agreement for a deferred sentence. You understand that?
Yes.
You understand how deferred works?
Yes, sir.
At the end of your probation, you'll have the immediate right to petition the court for non-disclosure to records, okay?
Okay.
In addition, if you get everything done early, it's very likely you could get released early from probation.
Okay.
But it looks like you have a felony probation that may not matter whether you get off this one, okay? All right, to the charge of possession of marijuana, how do you plead?
Guilty.
I accept you plead guilty. Defer finding guilt for a period of 12 months. You're going to be placed on community supervision on deferred status for 12 months or do the things contained in your plea agreement. This case will run concurrent with the other case, means everything you do in one case counts for both cases, okay?
Okay.
Do you have any questions about anything?
No, sir.
Okay. Can you be up here in about a half hour or so to process?
Yes.
Okay. When you come up here, come to County Court Law number 3, and the bailiff will find you out in the hall, and we'll get you fingerprinted and processed and get you out of here as fast as we can, okay?
Okay.
Do you have any questions about anything else?
No, sir.
Thank y'all. We'll see you later.
Thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
Sakina, is your defendant with you? You're muted. You have to talk real loud when you're muted.
I'm sorry, Judge. She should be on the line. We
Huh.
texted her this morning. It's Stephanie Burrows.
I haven't seen
Let
her
me-
show up yet.
I literally spoke to her yesterday. Sent out a text message to log on no later than 8:50.
Please leave your message for 2144.
This is a courtroom plea clerk, right? Hi, Claudia. We did a plea without you. Just letting you know. It's Harold. Harold didn't sign his plea papers. I don't know. Kevin Harold.
That's,
Oh, yeah, he did. He signed it in the wrong place. Signed it where I'm supposed to sign. It just popped up.
I was gonna ask, why are you on that one?
It's my computer just randomly decides what I should
And
do
they're
next.
gonna be here in person, so I can have them fix it tomorrow.
Okay.
I didn't get it. Probably reason. No.
Please leave your message.
I went straight to voicemail, so I don't know if that's a better sign. We're on the link waiting for you right now. I told you she's in the court. I told you to get on the link and then you could walk in when they were ready for you. So you just need to pick up your phone and hit the link like we spoke about.
Okay, so I sign on to what's it called?
I think Chad's going to look for her.
Are you on the first floor? They're looking for you.
Yeah, I'm on the first floor. I'm going
She's-
through security right now.
She's going through security now.
I have to put my phone through the security.
Okay. Let me talk to Judge real quick. She said she was having problems logging on to Zoom. So
Yeah.
I don't.
Well,
I try to
here's,
teach as much as I can about
we'll
technology.
just put her in a conference room up here. The problem with the internet up here is it's really bad, so. But we'll see how it works. Yeah, when she just got through security, she should be walking.
Yeah, you made it through security? Guess her phone went off. That is not how I explained to her how to do it, Judge.
Well, it would be a complicated way to do it, but. Yeah, the problem is our internet up here is just terrible for the public. And so we've had a couple of people try to do pleas up here out in the hall, but we'll see how it goes.
I in the past, because some people, they know they have to be there fingerprinting anyway. I tell them, either you can be at home and get there by 10, or if you want to be in the parking lot. But I always say, parking lot. And
We've
then,
had a bunch of them do it from the car in the parking lot.
yeah, that was the directions I gave. I guess she was, I don't know what they do after I talk to them.
Here she is, I think. Is that her? Okay, she's in their little conference room now.
Okay. He's Royal Meany's senior. I'm sorry, my assistant was asking me a question. No.
Does she know to get on the link in there?
I was telling someone who was asking about how things have been, a 3L asking me about how things have been with COVID. Asking, I said, well, now my job is also corralling cats, and then secondly, teaching people how to use technology, which I barely know myself.
Right.
It's very hard to explain to a client over the phone how to sign a document, how to upload it back. I'm like, just come to our office with a mask. This is like.
Yeah, I think we've had less problems than I expected we would have had.
Mm-hmm.
People are figuring out Zoom, and I guess they're doing it for school and everything else. So
Yeah. Yeah, like I said, sometimes I have clients who can get it and, knock it out. And some clients have no idea. And it's like, and it's very hard. Like I swear, I think one time I had a case with Judge Walker, in which I promise you, we worked with her for like an hour just to try and teach her how to do her signature. And then when she signed it, it was so horrible, but it was on there. It was like bigger than and they couldn't even take it. So we was like, she'll sign it and come to court and sign it. In court, it was hard.
Apparently your client has to set up an account and all that stuff.
I promise. I said, you need to go to Zoom, download it. Yeah, that's part of my new job.
That's exactly what it was sent to. Ask her if she has Outlook. Ask her if she has a calendar. Is it an iPhone?
I sent her the link. I'll resend it.
We just sent it again. See, I think I pushed the button locked sound on here. I think that's why it rings when it's not supposed to.
Did you fix it?
I unlocked it. There we go. She's here. All right. Can you hear me? You're muted right now.
Okay,
There
can
you go.
you hear me?
Yep.
Okay.
I can hear you. All right. Are y'all ready for this? If you would raise your right hand and be sworn. You swear or affirm testimony about to give me the truth, the whole truth, nothing but true stuff you got.
Yes, Your Honor.
Is your true name Stephanie? Is it Michelia Burrows?
Yes, Your Honor.
And you understand you have two cases pending. One charges you with possession of marijuana, the other one charges you with criminal trespass. You understand
Yes.
that? And it looks like in each case, you and your attorney have worked out plea agreements for 10 days in jail, and you'll get 80 days credit, okay?
Okay.
You'll be time served as of right now, okay?
Okay.
And in addition, do you understand we're doing this plea electronically?
Yes.
And your attorney's online with us right now, and are you okay doing the plea electronically?
Yes.
All right. To each of these charges, how do you plead?
Guilty.
I accept your plea guilty, find you guilty, send you 10 days in jail. You'll get credit for 80 days. The extra days will go towards court costs. You'll be time served as to money and jail time as of right now, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Do you have any questions about anything?
No, Your Honor.
We just need you to stick around long enough to put your thumbprints on a judgment, and then we'll get you out of here as fast as we can, okay?
Okay, thank you.
All right. Good luck. Thank y'all.
Thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
See you later. I think that's it, Claudia,
For another 5 minutes and then she'll be back.
for 5 minutes. You're muted. You have to talk really loud when you're muted.
Hey, I'll be back in 5. Wait, 9:30. Yeah, it's the other link though. I'll go.
Drink, drink some Lysol.
Or did you want more time to work it out?
Can't taste it, so. Whiskey.
That's a
Then
good
I'll
point.
send an email and you'll see. Because it's gonna be by Zoom.
All right, so I can get out of this Zoom.